In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge Samsung Watch 7 without a charger. Now, while it is possible for you to do this is going to depend on what you have available near you. So, the main way to charge the Apple Watch 7, aka the normal way, is by using the magnetic charging puck where you place the watch and then you plug the cable into a wall adapter. This is what provides the watch with power. Now, if you have lost access to the wall adapter, then you can still charge your watch because you will still be using the charging puck. However, if you lost both the charging puck and the wall adapter, then it becomes impossible. So this is the bare minimum. You need to have access to the charging puck or the charging pad. And as long as you have access to this and the cable, you will be able to plug it into other valid power sources, even if you don't have the wall adapter. So keep that in mind. You can plug it into directly another device. So a consideration is to plug it directly into your phone. The battery will be taken from your mobile device and begin charging the Apple Watch, or sorry, the Samsung Watch, I apologize. And it is extremely simple to do. Alternatively, you can plug it into other compatible power sources. This can include a public USB wall outlet, it can be a power bank, it can be a laptop, a PC, it doesn't matter. As long as it is a valid power source that you can plug the USB-C cable into and then place your watch on the charging pad, it is going to work. You don't need the original wall adapter. If you are desperate, you can try using your phone's wall adapter, but like I said before, the most important thing by far is that you need to have access to the charging pad. If you don't have access to the charging puck, it is indeed impossible. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.